Hello friends, welcome to my channel Web Techie. Friends, before proceeding to the next topic, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon there and share my videos, like my videos, comment my videos and let us continue for the topic. Thank you. So in this video, I am going to explain you about how to change the background of a web page. We are going to discuss how to change the background of a web page. Friends, background can be changed in two ways. One is you can apply a color, background color, with the help of one property called background color here. And background color can be given any color you can give it. And one more is if you want to apply image, any picture, if you want to use it as a background, then we have to use background image, and here you have to give the URL, universal resource locator, and file name here, picture.jpg, gif or png, any one file you can take it. So we can change the background color with the help of background property, and if you want to apply a background image, then you have to use a background image property there and image name here. So friends, let us start writing a code. First of all, I'll show you how to change a background color here. So I'll go to my HTML file, and here you all know that it is about HTML program. There is a mistake here, right? Yeah, this is a basic program. You all know that HTML header, title, right? So here let me write it a title here, how to change background color. Web page using CSS. So how to change background color of a web page? So we have a web page and I'm saving it here. In fact, this file has been saved it as a bg.html file. Once again I'm overwriting it. I want to execute this file and I want to show you the output of this one. So this is a file and I'm double clicking on this. You can see this, friends. So this is the background which we are getting. It means the background is white color here. Now this background color I want to change it now. I want to change the background color of this one using CSS. So we are learning how to change the background color of a web page. And in fact we don't have any content. Let me write one h1 there. So inside the body tag, so h1, so I'll just write it again, the text here, how to change background using CSS. So that is a heading here, and when I open this page, this is what we are going to get it, right? Now I want to change this background color with the help of CSS, and in previous videos I have shown that how to write a CSS, internal CSS. So we can write internal CSS like this: style type equals to text oblique CSS, and style has to be closed, and that style should be there inside the header portion. There is a header portion inside that. So those who haven't watched that my first few videos, please watch that videos and come to this video so that you can easily understand it. So I have different series of videos here, and this is one more video which I am creating here now. Now here I want to change the background of my web page. So when I say background means is a body tag, and here this is how we have to write it. And this is, in the previous video I have shown that body, here this is a HTML tag, and this area is called a selector, and it is a tag or element selector, we'll say it is. We are using a tag here, body tag, we are using it, and I want to change the background color of the body here. So I can write here background, you can choose the options from this notepad++ if you want it, background dash color there, and which color you want to give it you can specify it here. I'm giving it yellow color. Now let me save this file, and when you run this, your background has been changed. We are able to change the background using CSS. we are learning how to change the background color of this. See, you can give hexadecimal color code also. Instead of giving a color name here, you can give a hexadecimal color code. Our hexadecimal color code will have a hash and some name like this, and FF and 00 like this. So this is a color code here, R and G and B, RGB color code here. Let me save this and execute it. You are going to get some color. So this is the color which you are going to get it. So that is about the background color. We can change it of body, and at the same time I want to change the background color of H1 also. There is a H1 here, H1 background color I want to change it. Let us see how to do that. So we have to use H1 tag here, and here I am going to write it again, background, and I am going to take that property and I am going to write it, say let me take it red color. So that means my background color of this H1 will be red color, and when you save this, it will be a red color here. So friends, successfully we are able to change the background color of a H1, background color of a body here. This is a body and this is H1. So like that, if you want to change the background of a paragraph, first of all write a paragraph here. So P tag I am going to write it. P tag has to be closed, and I want some text. So let me do that. I'll copy the text from here, from this help menu. You can take that text from anywhere, your choice. I am going to take this and I am going to place it here. Now save this file and run this. Now you can see there is no background for my text, and we don't have a color also here. We can change the color of the text, we can change the background. So changing of the color of the text we discussed in the previous video. Now I am showing that how to change the background color of this paragraph. So it is a P is a tag, and I am going to change that background color. So which color shall I apply it? So let me apply it, say orange color. Let me apply it for paragraph. So wherever the paragraph is there you are going to get orange color. And if you want to change the text color, in fact we discussed that earlier. So we can use color property. Say whichever color you want it, you can choose white color, and save this file. So the color has been changed to white. If you want to change the font size, so font size we discussed in previous video also. So here measurement will be 1 em, 2 ems like this. 1 em equals to 16 pixels. So I want to give it 1.3 em here. Save this file. So now we got this. And font also I want to change it. Once again I want to show font family. It is Arial font. Save this file and run this. So it's perfectly successfully we are able to change the background color, we are able to change the color of the text, and even if you want to change the color of this H1 also we can change it. So thank you friends, please subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon and share my videos. Thank you very much.